I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm pretty much obsessed with space heater videos. So I found hashtag heater, and there's 34,000 plus videos and 12,000 channels. That's just like amazing. Go off through all these videos. Now, if you saw my community post about Past Preserver, make sure to submit your response, please. Look at all these videos. And no, I'm not going to play them due to copyright issues, but they're really interesting. Really great. And that's a lot of YouTubers that would take their time out of their life to review a space heater. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and remember that the debate ends tomorrow, April 20th.